Guys, open up your garbage can, take these bad boys back out. We got a mop that's gonna make them way better. We're gonna put the original FX blade on here. We're gonna take this FX3 blade off and throw that in the trash. Let's get it. All right, now sorry for making fun of these trimmers, but I'm gonna tell you right now, a lot of people don't like these at all. And they feel that they're too sharp, they cut too sharp. Now I'll tell you what that feeling is. The issue that I see with these, and it's not only mine, I actually cross-checked it with a couple buddies of mine. These teeth that come on this blade here, one tooth on one side is a lot longer than all the rest of the teeth. And what that means is that if you zero gap this trimmer and you match the two front teeth with the blade, there's gonna be whatever side has the bigger tooth, most of that blade is exposed when it's hitting your skin. So that's mainly the reason for these being too sharp. If you guys do have these at your house, check them. Look on an angle and see if you see one of the teeth bulging out. Guaranteed you're gonna see it. I don't blame that on Babyliss. I kind of blame that on Ferrari because Babyliss really has their crap together. Pretty sure it's Ferrari. They don't know what they're doing. They make cars, man. Simple as that. Let's get to this mod though. Here's some things that you are going to need. You're gonna need your original Ferrari trimmers, these red ones. Taking that blade off, FX3 is coming off. Get a small screwdriver. This one here, you know, it's basically a number 1 head, Phillips on top, mini, that should help you. Get the blade you want to use on your Ferrari trimmers. I'm using the original gold FX blade because I like it, it's the sharpest. And your mod from Filthy Blends. Here's the mod right here, okay, this is how it's gonna look. Super simple, they did all the math behind all this stuff. And it's gonna pop right on there, no problem. This is all you need to do this mod. All right, gentlemen and ladies, first thing you're gonna do, take that blade off. Just loosen these 2 screws. Try to make these videos dummy proof, but some people just don't get it. So please follow along. Watch every step. This is what you're left with right here. All right, now's a good time to clean it. So grab your clipper brush, your trimmer brush, just kind of give it a couple little swipes in there and get all that nastiness, hair out and all that. Everything's all sealed up real nice. You give it a little spray, quick little spray. All right, so now it's clean. We're gonna take the mod, like so, right here. These 2 square parts are going down into the housing, just like this. Sits right in there perfectly. You see that? That's how it's gonna look. Next, super easy. Take the blade you want to put on there. Gold FX, the original. The originators. It's gonna pop itself into there. That's all I did was just push it in. Alright? We are now in there. Very carefully, hold all this together. Just be careful because you don't want to, you don't want to drop your actual blade on accident. So I get these holes on the inside lined up. Pop, screw back in. Once it's snug, don't go crazy. Just give it a little twist. That's in there very good. Pop the next one in. It's probably the simplest mod I've ever performed on anything. I feel he did a good job making this easy, quick, simple. Now it turns on, it still is quiet, and you have a better blade. You have your FX blade on there. I'd love for this tutorial to be crazy long and descriptive, but that's all you need. It's done. This trimmer is 10 times better now. Guys, if you had them parts, super easy. It takes you 2 minutes to pop this thing together. Filthy did an excellent job on delivering this and having it be pretty damn good quality for being a quick fix. I mean, it's simple. I will have a link in the description down below. You guys feel free. Check him out, get this part. It's only like 15 bucks. You can make this trimmer a lot better. If you still have it, if you got it in your drawer somewhere, you can revive it, bring it back to life. Maybe even have it be in your arsenal from now on. I do like it. I do plan on using these trimmers like this from now on. That is all. I hope it helped you guys out. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.